guys, what's up? I got Patreon here with Past Second Review, and on today's video, continuing with the K-Beauty brand discovery with me, the by ODTD Spot Calming Gel and Blemish treatment line. They all have such a long name. So first of all, this is the Spot Calming Gel, so obviously it's like an acne spot medication. Like I got this acne here, but this is something that you want to put on like active acne. Does not sting at all. Baby here contain herb vinegar tincture extraction. So it's a combination of 5 herb complex, chamomile, calendula, centella asiatica, basil, and marshmallow. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Actually, really have to calm down my acne here. I just prefer to use acne medication at night. And up next, this is the blemish treatment. So this is something that you want to use not on active acne, but like on freshly recovered acne. So I would use this on like the area that I got acne previously, but not too long ago. So like this area here and over here. I do have a lot of dark spots, mostly from acne scars. Really enjoy using this one here with TECA and allantoin. Very, very soothing on the skin. Overall, I find this more gentler acne medication out there during acne and post acne. Check out my application here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!